Well, guys, be glad you're in Arizona. This is what is outside of our window as we speak. This is what you guys are missing. Rough life. Yep. Look at all that snow. Whew! This isn't even that good of a picture. See if we can see some more of it blowing around out there. Wow, that is crazy. You can't even see across the street hardly to the DMV. That's that light right there in the center of the frame. Further out that way is the Clyde Companies building. You can barely make out its outline. Anyway, I hope you guys are having fun. Be safe. Love ya. And Koya's being taken care of. Love you. Bye.